This is a valve assembly for a gasoline engine. They have different size of valves. They have intake valve and they have exhaust valves. The name for each item is, this is a valve, this is a valve spring seat washer, this is a valve spring, this is a valve seal, this is a valve retainer, and this is the valve keeper. Now, depending on the make and model, it might have a valve spring washer installed. It might have a valve seal washer unit altogether. It might have multiple springs, but this is the complete set.